Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Heyday game. So let's get started right away. Now first of all, open up the Heyday game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken through the basic tutorials within the game. After you complete the basic tutorials and you are able to move throughout the game on your own, in order to turn off sounds, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner, then tap on settings, and you will end up within the settings page. Now from the settings page, you will find the music as well as sound option. Just tap on the on button and this will immediately turn the music as well as sound off. You can just tap on these options and turn them off, and if at any time you wish to turn them back on again, you can come back to the settings page and simply tap on the off buttons, and the sounds and music can be turned on and off in this way. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn sounds on and off on the Heyday game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.